In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed custom code in Framer. We'll walk through this step by step, so even if you're new to Framer or to working with code snippets, you'll be able to follow along comfortably. By the end, you'll know exactly where to paste things like tracking scripts, widgets, or other custom integrations so they work correctly on your site. First, open your Framer project and go to the specific page where you want your custom code to apply. Make sure you're in the project editor and that the right page is selected in your page list or site tree on the left. This is important because the settings we're about to adjust can be page specific, and you want to avoid accidentally editing the wrong page. Once you're on the correct page, look for the settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon or a settings label, often near the top of the interface or in a sidebar when a page is selected. Go ahead and click on that settings button. This will open a panel where you can control different aspects of the page, such as SEO, metadata, and, most importantly for us, custom code. Inside the settings panel, scroll until you find the section labeled Custom Code, or something very similar. This might be grouped with advanced settings or code-related options. Take your time and scroll slowly so you don't miss it, especially if your settings panel has a lot of sections. Once you see the custom code area, you'll usually have one or more text fields where you can paste code that should go in the head, the body, or sometimes both. Now, paste or type in the custom code you'd like to embed. This could be a small script from an analytics provider and an embed code for a chat widget, or any other snippet you've been given. Before you paste, it's a good idea to quickly double check that the code came from a trusted source and that it doesn't include any sensitive information like passwords or private keys. Keep the code exactly as provided unless the instructions specifically tell you to customize certain parts, such as an ID or a URL. After your code is in place, look for the Save button in the settings panel and click it. Saving is crucial. If you close the panel or navigate away without saving, your changes won't be applied. Once saved, publish or preview your site to confirm everything is working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully embedded custom code into your Framer page.